on the inside of my planner, I have these little cards here just for decoration. These little cards that I have here are note cards I can write on, choose to write on, or choose not to write on. This one says today, and they all have gold foil on there. So this one says today, and then on the back here also has gold foil. So I can write on the lines if I choose to. This one says hello darling, and it has a little bit of pink in it. And then it has words in the back. This one says never lose your sparkle with gold foil. And then on the back it says thank you. This one says best day ever. And this one doesn't have gold foil on the back, but I can write in this space if I choose to. Then this one is one of my favorites, Stop and Smell the Roses, and this is a pretty one. And then on the back here it has that with the lines. This is one of my favorite cards. So I have that here, and I put it in this slot so they would always stay right here in my reach. Then I have a card down here that says you are so loved, and I'm not taking this one out. This one is just for decoration. And then I put Swarovski pearls here, and these pearls I got from Walmart. And these are the pretty white pearls. I glued them on. Then I have some stickers back here. And I got these stickers from Walmart, and it's a pack, and it has the wedding theme on it. So I'm going to show you real quick. These are the alphabets. Okay, some of them I used already. This is the one with the wedding dress. And sorry for the shadow, guys. Trying to do this in the light so you guys can see. Here, evidently, I used some stickers on that one. Here's the groom page. Here it is with all the stickers on it. Then here's this one. Now, this one came with 3. So here's the first one. This is the second one. I used one sticker off of this one. And then I used no stickers on this one. So this is what it looks like in its full entirety. And then here's some words that says bliss, cherish, newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Groom, I do, best man, the reception. Here's another one. And then here are 2 of the round stickers in the back here. Bullet stickers, as I would like to call them. So yeah, this is an awesome paper pack, and not paper pack, but sticker pack, the wedding theme. And I thought it was so fitting because it's light colors, it's not too overbearing, and it matches the theme of this wedding planner. So I thought that was perfect. So I keep them back here in this slot, and they fit nice and neat, not too bulky. Then I have some stickers from Hobby Lobby. That's wedding theme. It says love you, you and me, forever. Great stuff. Then I have this bookmark that I made. And I'm trying not to get too much of shadowing going on here so you guys can see. I have this bookmark I made. This came with the planner, and what I did was I used acetone to take off the gold dots that was on there, and I put rhinestones. Yes. So it sparkles. And this is my first rhinestone bookmark. Let me see if I can just take this up so you guys can see how it really sparkles. Look at that. Yes. Feel free to copy this. I mean, this idea. It is absolutely beautiful. You know, it's just remarkably beautiful. And every time it's flipped over, it's just sparkling beautifully. So I love that. My first rhinestone bookmark. Awesome. And this is gonna stay to the front because of the rhinestones being so big and bulky. I don't want it to like press on the papers on the inside. And here's my little dashboard that has the wedding dress and the groom. This dashboard is like a boutique. So you know how you go in front of a boutique and you see in the window the wedding dress and the bridegroom tuxedo and the shoes, and then you see the rings and whatever they decorated. This is what it reminded me of. So this was the whole theme. I said, oh, this is like a little boutique, and it says happily ever after here. And then these are actually Swarovski crystals that's all on here and everything. And so I thought that was pretty cute. And I stuck this on this card that came inside the book. It says property of, and then I'll put my name and information later. And then I have this acetate paper that also came in the planner. And this says Mr. and Mrs. And I got with gold foil. I got this paper at Michael's. No. No. I got this paper at Hobby Lobby. Yes, I got it at Hobby Lobby. And I thought it was so cute, so I did a back and front of Mr. and Mrs. And then these dividers, I used the original dividers as a template, and I created my own dividers so it would match. And I did back and front because the paper pack that I use only has one side. So I did back and front. And this says scriptures because we start with God first. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to cover up the days of the week because these are weekly spreads. And I love it because the blocks are big enough to like write the scriptures in. And so I'm going to be covering those up and using this for scripture writing. And it comes with so much paper, which I love. And this is cute. She designed a life she loved. That's really nice. This planner also came with this vellum paper. So I decided to keep it because it says hello love. And it goes perfect with my theme. Here's another divider. And this has the months at a glance calendar in it. And this is what it looks like. With no numbers, so that's great. So whatever the first day starts on, then I can write it in. Then we have this divider. Here's the back. Here's the front. Here. And then here's another divider here. I think I'm going to put in this section like pictures of locations and different vendors and stuff. And then here's another divider with the words on it, like the decorative card that's over here. And here is the back again. And this is going to be the note section. These are just like little notes and stuff that I'll be taking. And this says menu, so maybe I'll put a few places here to eat, recommended places. And sketches, I can also put a picture here and the information if I choose to. Then here's another divider, and this is more of a cream color with the gold accent and the white background. And all of these have a Swarovski pearl on there. I thought that was cute and different. And then on the back, it has flowers with gold foil. And then last here is some picture sleeves that I have. But I'm not going to use these as pictures. I'm going to put cards, like business cards or any other information that I decide to stick in here. And then one of these sleeves in the back, which is a big sleeve. It's one big sleeve here. I'm going to stick some money in the back. Yay! And then this is another acetate that came with it. This binder came with 2 of these, so I thought that was pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any stickers or anything on the back here, but I thought it was super cute. And then, you have a sleeve here, which is the inside here is just so nice and soft. So you could put like a notepad if you choose to back here. And then you have a pocket back here too. And that is it for the wedding binder that I have, a wedding planner, binder or planner, whatever I choose to call it. Or maybe I'll go back and forth and say both. Because I've been saying binder and planner, so. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my other upcoming videos. And if I didn't show you, this has a tag that says hello with a heart. And I put a pearl bead on it because I thought it was just super cute. So yes, this is the wedding planner. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.